Brad Williams, Excel primed. In the previous tutorial, we saw what happens if we just put is number on its own. This is sort of the same kind of similarity, and that is we're asking for a true. We have knocked the darn out of COUNTIF. We've done this. We've done the COUNTIF in this scenario repeatedly. The difference here is we want to see either true or false. The other examples in the previous tutorials, sort of redundant, is that we were doing a count. We're counting if Tom was in a particular sentence, or if Tom showed up, we wanted the total count, or we counted all the words or what have you. Here, all we're doing is mark true if any sentence contains any word. Pretty big task. COUNTIF sentence 892. Okay, our name range. Sentence 892, B5, B9. B5, B9, it's our list, and our words. B5, B8. Aren't we kind of doing a match there? Well, we are. We have sentence 892, checking to see if any words are in words 892. Any, we're going to use the wildcards. We're going to put wildcards in front and back of word 892. What's word 892? D5, D8. Anything before Tom and after Tom would be yes. All we're doing is mark true if sentence contains any words. All we need is one word in this entire list, and we're going to get true. I don't know. Does that make any sense whatsoever? I'm just playing around with this stuff. Hit F9, and again, no F9. This is going to be one of those trues. Is Tom in the... Oh, yeah. So we're done. There's stamp. You see a stamp anywhere? Probably in the fourth sentence. You know, use a little bit of common sense to, try to narrow this down. It's a pretty broad sweep. Take a look inside here. We have our sum product. Well, this is our 11th sum product tutorial. COUNTIF, what do we go through? 25? I don't think I need to explain this. Sentence, well, what sentence? We'll go to COUNTIF. Our only refresher here is, what are we doing with COUNTIF? Well, we have a range. So what's the range? Sentence 892. What's the criteria? Words. What is sum product? It's an array. What's the array? This entire B and C. F9, we have 1, 1, 1, 0 greater than 0. Are we greater than 0? Well, 3 times we're greater than 0. That's it. Over here, we just hard-coded it. A little more work. In other words, words didn't exist. We just decided to put this hard code in there. That's a wrap, folks. Do you need any more instruction on sum product and COUNTIF? Take a look at our previous tutorials. And if you're not happy there, or if you're stuck, take a look at the All Formulas Beginner. If this is a piece of cake, take a look at the Advanced, because the Advanced is going to be advanced. It's you have to step back and go on, woo, I need a break from this. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.